So I'm on the landing of my stairs. We have 2 flights of stairs. I was getting ready to decorate my landing shelf. We just got our house repainted and we had taken it down. I debated on whether or not I was gonna put it back up, but everybody in the family was like, no, put it back up. So I did put it back up and I was getting ready to decorate it for a non-themed whatever. But realizing that it is September and we do like to decorate for fall, I just decided to go ahead and decorate for fall now. I will worry about what I'm gonna make the shelf look like that's non-holiday or seasonal specific after Christmas, because we decorate the landing shelf for fall and then right after that I decorate it for Christmas, so it won't be ready for like kind of generic decor until January. So I thought, well, I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. For now, I'm gonna be decorating it for fall. I've got all the stuff laid out that I think I'm gonna use on the shelf, and I thought it'd be really fun to bring you guys with me. The only thing I've already done is, let me take this stuff out. These sprays came from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, but I think they still have them. I just need to wipe them down, they're a little dusty. This is actually a green vase that I have covered with some burlap that I got at Hobby Lobby, and then I just kind of cover it up because I didn't want to have to get another vase for fall. I wanted to use what I had, and I like the height of it and everything. So I just got some fabric at Hobby Lobby. This is really hard to do one-handed. And I wrap the vase with the fabric. That way it looks a little bit more rustic. I'll fix it in a minute. It looks a little bit more rustic. I can still use the vase that I already have, and then after fall I just take this off and it goes back to being just the green color. So that's all that I had done so far, but I've got to fix that now. I've messed it up. I've got to dust these before I put them back in. This obviously is a very long shelf that came from IKEA, but it's pretty much the same principle whether you have a shelf that you need to decorate, maybe a TV cabinet, or if you have a mantle. So this is kind of the equivalent of that, since it's just a long flat surface. So I thought it'd be really fun to bring you guys with me as I decorate it for fall. I don't typically do very many decor videos. Well, I did show my daughters both of my girls' bedrooms, but typically I don't do a lot of decorating videos, but I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys with me as I decorate for fall. This little guy down here I have that I got from Michael's, and normally when it's not that close to Halloween, I keep him kind of turned around facing the back, and when it's closer to Halloween, we turn him around because he does have a little jack-o'-lantern face. But for now, he is going to face the wall and just kind of stare at the wall, and he blinks and lights, his little lights blink, and the girls love him and look forward to me getting him out every year. So that is where he usually stays, on the landing. Okay, so it's all done now. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really, really cute, and I'm gonna go through and show you where everything came from. The arch, as I showed you, is double-sided. I don't think it's supposed to be. This is actually supposed to be the back, and it had like a little bracket right there. I just took the bracket off. You really can't even see the holes, and I like being able to use it double-sided. So for fall, I felt like using the black side, and I just put a little command hook to hang the wreath from. That wreath came from Hobby Lobby. The arch came from Michael's. The little squirrel there holding the gold acorn came from Hobby Lobby this year. The lantern came from Walmart this year. The candle is just a random flameless candle that I've had for years and years. I have this piece of art that says "Start each day with a grateful heart." I actually bought that to go on the landing shelf for non-seasonal times, just because I think it's pretty and a good message. And since we have to pass by here to go downstairs every single day, I thought it was a good reminder to be grateful every single day for all that we have. That came from Kirkland's about a month or two ago. The garland came from Joann Fabrics last fall. That pumpkin there, I believe, came from Hobby Lobby or Michael's years and years ago. You saw the vase already in the burlap. The spray came from Hobby Lobby. And then these little pumpkins there just came from Dollar Tree last year. And the fairy lights were from Amazon. I actually had gotten them to use in my oldest daughter's bedroom, and we didn't end up using them. So I thought I would just put them under there and give give some light to the leaves. So it looks really, really pretty. It looks especially beautiful and cozy at night. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's my favorite version of my landing shelf that I've ever done, and I really like the versatility that the arch is going to give me all seasons. No matter what the holiday or season is, I can change the wreath out. I can flip the arch to either side, so probably the white side for spring and summer and the black side for fall and winter. So that is how it turned out. I hope it gave you guys some decorating inspiration, whether you have a long shelf or a TV cabinet or a table or a mantle. I hope it gave you some inspiration, and it was all done fairly cheaply on a budget. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.